Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Columbia, South Carolina, and we're going to visit an author by the name of Harmony Chandler. And she wrote this book called Harmony's Loose Tooth. Oh, I think I hear her at the door now. Hey, Harmony.
Hi, Mr. Stan.
Hey, come on in, sweet friend. Welcome to the Very Airy Library. What do you think, Harmony?
Wow, this place is amazing.
I'm so glad you like it. So, here at the Very Airy Library, our friends out there, they want to know a little bit about you. So, do you mind telling them your name, your age, and where you're from?
Hi, my name is Harmony Chandler. I'm 8 years old, and I'm from South Carolina.
Oh, I've been to South Carolina a couple times, and I really love it there. So, you're 8 years old. Does that mean you're in second grade?
Yeah?
Oh, do you have an awesome second grade teacher?
Yes.
What's her name?
Her name's Dr. Spratley.
Oh, Dr. Spratley. Okay. So, can you tell us, what do you like to do for fun?
I like to dance.
Oh, you dance? Can you show us some of your dance moves?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then...
Oh, wow, that was amazing. You look like a ballerina.
Yeah.
Did you take ballet before?
Yeah, I used to be in ballet for 5 years.
Wow, let's give her a big round of applause for those dance moves. Wow. Okay, so today we're gonna do a few things here at the Very Airy Library. First, we're gonna play an icebreaker game. Yeah, and then you're gonna tell our story explorers a little bit about yourself. And then after that, we're gonna put your book into the Eternal Library, making you an eternal author. How does that sound?
Very, very good.
High five.
Did somebody leave the fridge open? 'Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
Harmony,
Huh?
are you ready to spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Go for it. Ooh, what will it be? What will it be? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, if you could be any age for the rest of your life, what age would you be and why?
1.
One? Like a baby? Why would you want to be 1 year old?
Because I wouldn't have to do anything.
Oh, well, babies have to drink milk.
I don't like milk.
Oh, well, maybe.
And plus, I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh, well, milk is not for you, my friend.
Oh, I'm lactose intolerant as well. But that doesn't stop me. Gas pain means pleasure, my dear. Especially when it comes to chocolate milkshakes.
Can we move on from this unbecoming subject? Hello, Harmony. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Thank you. I was hoping you could tell us a little bit more about your book.
Well, my book is about a girl who loses her tooth, and that girl is me!
Oh my, how many teeth have you lost?
Let me see. Oh, quite a few.
Is that how you got the idea for your book?
Yes, I lost my tooth like a few weeks ago, I think. And so I was like, maybe I should write a book about a real experience I have so it's not like that complicated.
That was very clever of you.
Do I hear Harmony?
Hey, Philo.
Hi!
It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. And by the way, I love your hair.
Oh, that is so kind of you, Harmony. I like your hair, too.
Thank you.
Let me ask, What is your most favorite part about writing a book?
How you're gonna color the drawings and how it's gonna look when you're finished.
It is a ton of fun to make that book look pretty. Harmony, I hear you're a dancer. Do you mind teaching me some dance moves?
Sure. So first you go like this, and then you turn. Then you do that again, and keep doing it, and then you do a leap.
Whoa.
And then you do a whatever that's called, and then you bow.
Oh, that's amazing! Stanley, I'm gonna go practice those moves. Harmony, it was nice to meet you. Bye.
See you later.
Bye, Philo. Okay, Harmony, are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Yeah.
Let's go do it, friend. So, Harmony, do you mind giving our story explorers out there some words of advice?
Yeah. So just keep going and never give up, because I used to not be able to do the monkey bars, but I kept trying and trying, and then on spring break I finally learned.
Wow, that is great words of advice. Keep trying no matter how hard it is, because if you keep going, you'll end up, like you, being a pro on the monkey bars. All right, Harmony, are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
You bet.
Let's do it.
Dun, dun, dun. Bye-bye, bookie.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
Never gets old.
I wish I could live here.
Process complete.
All right, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or a person by their cover.
See you next time, friends.
Bye.
Hey, Harmony, do you still have the Tooth Fairy's number?
Yeah.
Oh, good. How many teeth do you plan on losing?
1,000.
Ooh, that's $10,000. Can we be friends?
Yeah.
Awesome. The book, Harmony's Loose Tooth, is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.